Go, Taylor.
That one's easier to climb.
You heard anything from your guy, Matthew?
Not yet. Wait a minute, I got a text.
What? I must be a little...
You've got to be really strong to pull your body weight up like that.
No, it's not really. We're just light as hell. Yeah. Almost, man. Oh, shit.
Look at Jordan. Taylor! Ah, shit.
What the fuck? Hold on. What? What the fuck just happened?
Oh shit, dude! Are you okay?
Taylor! Taylor!
Are you here, man? Dude, you just fell out of a tree. The tree's right there. Are you serious? You just got knocked out?
It hit me in the head.
Are you okay?
I feel it on my head, man.
You okay? You want to stand up, man?
I got it on video.
You want to stand up, dude?
No, I'm at my knee.
Your knee?
I fucked up my knee.
Which knee? That knee's been fucked up all day, dude.
I know, but it's fucked up more.
Dude, here.
That's the second time.
Here.
Hold on, just let me lay
Put
here.
all of your weight on this leg. I'll pick you up,
Let me
dude.
lay here for a minute, please.
Here, I'm gonna stop.